Today, I am connecting in to continue our series on digital transformation from the great outdoors. To recap, we at TRINUS define digital transformation as modernizing your business model, products and services, and corporate culture by integrating current digital technologies and tools in an ongoing process. Last week, we learned about the first of the 4 pillars that are said to drive digital transformation. And the next pillar, which we are going to talk about today, is empowering your employees and government workers. To empower your employees and government workers means to provide them with the infrastructure to collaborate and increase productivity through mobile platforms that enable your employees to work from anywhere at any time. Microsoft sees remote work and mobile technologies as a key solution to today's workforce, but I'm going to guess that working while kayaking is not what they had in mind. Some of you may have been planning your move to a mobile-friendly workplace for years, and some of you may have been forced into implementing mobile options for your employees due to COVID-19 and social distancing. No matter which of the two initiated your transition, the benefits of the implementation are twofold. Organizations see reduced cost, improved business continuity, reduced environmental impact, and attract and retain talent. And on the other hand, the employees see heightened communication, improved work and personal life balance, and are given the ability to complete their work more efficiently. Okay, so you know that enabling your employees is important, and you know that you can do that by providing a mobile workplace so that they can work anywhere at any time. Now, how can you make that happen for them? The most secure application available to your employees to work remotely is Microsoft Teams. This is a one-stop application that takes all the applications we are used to seeing, such as Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, SharePoint, and OneDrive, and integrates them into one single space where you can work efficiently. The benefit of mobile workers is that the communication barriers are broken down by using Teams. You can start an instant chat message with your coworkers. You can schedule video or audio meetings, or even have impromptu video or audio calls. This can all be accomplished from anywhere that you have internet connection. Your license allows you to access your login from 5 devices, so your employees and government workers don't have to carry a laptop and can easily use the mobile app right on their cell phones. Gone are the days of emailing version after version of the same document back and forth to reach the final, or final number 2, or seriously, the real final version. By using Teams' integrated Microsoft SharePoint, you can save files in the cloud, and all team members are able to access the document and make changes to it. The best part is that multiple team members can have the exact same document open at the same time and make changes and edits in real time, with a chat-based comment section available right inside the document. This feature means that your team can discuss changes and collaborate to reach the one and only final version in a more efficient manner than wasting time waiting for emails back and forth and potential errors or multiple versions being passed around like a puck at a hockey game. We all know the quote, "If you build it, they will come." Well, that may have been true for baseball. However, not necessarily the case with technology. You can make the tools available, but you must also invest in driving adoption and provide training to encourage your employees and government workers to utilize the tools for the greatest level of adoption. Another idea of how to empower your employees and government workers is to deliver a cloud-based, self-service human resource portal accessible to your employees that they can access from anywhere at any time. It is the little add-ons like these that open the communication and build professional relationships between employees and business owners. And you guessed it, by dedicating time to learn how to empower your employees and by making new tools available to them so they can work remotely, you are well on your way in your digital transformation journey. Call, email, or text me or a TRINUS account manager if you would like to learn more about the tools we talked about today.